To access the Itec Ecos, simply unscrew the screw on the side, pull down, which will reveal power supply, live, neutral and earthing point, and also your communication connections F1 and F2. Please be aware that you need to match F1 to the indoor unit and match F2 also to the indoor unit. When you are first fixing your cables, allow for a power supply cable depending on the size of the unit, and also allow for a 4-core cable. 2 cores can be used for the communication and 2 cores will be used to connect the flow switch. To close back up, simply click it in